From humble beginnings to industry dominance, what drives a company to rise above the competition and claim the top spot? In this case study, we reveal the strategies, innovations, and bold decisions that propelled company from an underdog to a market leader, transforming not just their bottom line, but the very landscape of their industry. 1. Introduction. Company overview. History, a brief history of the company, including when it was founded, key milestones, and important events in its development. This provides context on the company's origin and growth. Mission and vision, the company's purpose, guiding values, and long-term goals. This will often tie into how the company's ethos influenced its strategic decisions. Market context and objective. This section explains why the company is significant within its industry and what its market challenges or opportunities were at the time of its emergence as a leader. The objective of the case study would be stated here, what the case study seeks to demonstrate or analyze about the company's journey. 2. Challenges faced. Competitive landscape. A detailed analysis of the competitive environment when the company began to rise. What companies were considered its primary competitors? How saturated was the market? Possible barriers to entry, including high startup costs, limited technology, or strong incumbents. External market forces. Changes in consumer behavior, technological advancements, regulations, economic shifts, or global factors, e.g., recessions, geopolitical influences. External threats like disruptive innovations or emerging competitors in the same space. Internal organizational issues. Potential weaknesses within the company such as operational inefficiencies, lack of resources, poor brand perception, or management and leadership challenges. Early-stage growing pains, like scaling challenges or managing a larger workforce. 3. Key strategies for growth. This section typically focuses on the specific strategies that the company employed to overcome challenges and achieve dominance. It might involve several strategic pillars. Innovation and product development. Highlight how the company introduced new products, services, or technologies that filled an unmet need or set a new standard in the industry. Examples might include breakthroughs in product design, new features, more affordable pricing models, or cutting-edge technology integrations, e.g., AI, automation, or sustainability. Branding and market positioning. Deep dive into how the company differentiated itself from competitors through branding efforts, think unique value propositions, messaging, and the emotional connection built with consumers. In-depth analysis of the marketing and advertising strategies that helped the company gain visibility and preference, including digital campaigns, influencer marketing, or high-profile partnerships. Expansion strategies. Geographical expansion. If the company started in a local or regional market, how did it expand nationally or globally? This could involve market research, strategic partnerships, local adaptations, or acquisitions. Product diversification. The company may have expanded its product or service lines to capture a broader customer base or create new revenue streams. Operational excellence. How the company improved its internal processes to scale efficiently. This could involve supply chain optimization, enhanced customer service practices, data-driven decision-making, or adopting lean methodologies. Key investments in technology, infrastructure, and automation that allowed the company to manage larger volumes of business or improve quality. 4. Execution and adaptation. Leadership and culture. The role of leadership in driving the company's success. This could include specific executives or key decision-makers and how their vision, strategic thinking, and management style contributed to the company's rise. The company's corporate culture, how it fostered innovation, adaptability, and collaboration within teams. Company culture can be a significant factor in attracting top talent, encouraging risk-taking, and fostering long-term success. Agility in execution. How the company was able to pivot or adapt its strategies in response to market dynamics. Did the company face failure or missteps along the way? How did it learn and iterate to refine its approach? This section might detail moments where the company made bold or unconventional moves, such as aggressive pricing, restructuring, or major pivots in product strategy. 5. Impact. Impact on the industry. How the company's strategies and innovations reshaped the industry landscape. Did they set new standards? Were competitors forced to adapt in response? Analysis of the company's role in influencing trends, such as sustainability practices, ethical business models, or technological innovation within the industry. 6. Lessons learned. Strategic insights. What strategies were crucial for success and why? This can include specific tactical decisions, such as marketing strategies, timing, partnerships, or investments. O. Common pitfalls and mistakes that other companies should avoid based on the company's experience. Scalability and sustainability. O. How the company maintained its market leadership over time. Did it face obstacles in sustaining growth? And what strategies ensured long-term success? O. Considerations for scalability, such as maintaining a competitive edge, handling increased customer demand, or ensuring operational efficiency as the company expanded. 7. Conclusion. Summary of key success factors. A wrap-up of the most important factors that led to the company's market leadership, whether it's innovation, customer obsession, strategic leadership, or market adaptability. Future outlook. Speculation on how the company might evolve or continue its dominance in the coming years. Are there any potential threats or opportunities on the horizon, e.g., emerging technologies, new competitors, changes in regulation? What should other companies take away from the case study? This could involve applying the lessons learned to different contexts or industries. Each of these sections would be supported by data, case examples, and potentially interviews with key stakeholders, e.g., company executives, employees, customers, or industry analysts. The goal is to provide a comprehensive view of the company's journey to market leadership, offering readers valuable insights that can be applied to their own business strategies. Thanks for watching. More videos, please keep touch with us. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.